Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've been doing very few of these in the last week or so. The last one I did was Friday, and I think the one before that was what? Monday before that? And today's Monday. So, yes sirree. And it is the Monday before Thanksgiving, 2018. This will be review number 3106. Pardon me. I'll tell you what it is and I'll tell you about it. This is Double Mountain Xiamen Satay flavor. This is from China, and it has been a Chinese brand of popular enjoyment for 30 years as of 2006. However, it's 2018, so it's 32. Happy birthday. So let's crack this open and I'll get it cooking, and I'll tell you the story behind it. These were sent to me by a fellow named Jack, and he runs this company in China. And if you are, I'm gonna guess most Westerners don't know about this, but there used to be a company called Fuku, F-U-K-U. I should ask him if that's actually how it's pronounced. I don't think it was pronounced in any other kind of way. But anyways, Fuku was a real, and still is, I should say, a real institution of instant noodles in Hong Kong. I've been told many times by people that Fuku was the first noodle and the last noodle and the only noodle they really wanted to ever eat, which is cool. I tried it, what did he say? Review number 370 in 2011, and I loved it. I got it up in Canada actually, and it was really good. They didn't sell it here in the States. Well, as it turns out, Nissan Foods Hong Kong bought the company. Now, the guy who sent me this pack of noodles, his father sold Fuku to Nissan. And one thing that they were stoked about before that happened was that I gave them 5 stars. And in the box, there's an unboxing video, and I'll if you watch this all the way to the end, you'll get to see the unboxing video. But basically, the guy said that they were really appreciated that he got 5 stars, and hey, for me, it's not about being appreciated or appreciating, it's about appreciating a product. So thank you for making a product that I enjoyed so much. That's the way I see it. A lot of people like to thank me for my review, and it's like, no, thank you for making something I really liked. But anyways, so his father was in the instant noodle industry, and he said between his father and my review, he decided to get into the instant noodle industries when he got out of school. It's like, wow, no pressure. Yeah, that's crazy. And now he runs 2 Chinese instant noodle companies, and one of them is Double Mountain. So that's pretty cool. And yesterday I actually made this for my son Andy. He offered Miles a bite of noodle, but I don't know if Miles took it. He's not always in the mood for a noodle. Sometimes. He's a little under the weather today. But yeah. And Andy liked it. But I was kind of like, he told me this story from father to son, so I figured, oh, I've got to make Andy eat a pack of this. Got to make my son eat it. What kind of ramen raider would I be if I didn't do that? Do I have to eat all the broth? Yes. I really don't like broth, Dad. Yes. Nothing like a little bit of torture for your children, you know? You gotta know when to egg them on. Alright, there's 3 minutes. Oh, come on, really? My nose is starting to get a little runny. And yeah, I got a flu shot. But then again, this morning it was 29 degrees here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. And I don't think our apartment was that much warmer when I woke up at 2:30 in the morning and got started with everything. But I got a lot done. That's for sure. Yeah, you should look at this stuff. This stuff is really good. I took a taste of the broth and the noodle yesterday morning. I was just like, wow, really? I made, because Andy doesn't like broth all that much, I made his with 400 mils instead of the 500 mils that is called for. Jack said I could, he said, it's 500 mils, but you can adjust to taste. I'm like, well, you know me. I will say I liked it with 500 or 400. So it's satay flavor. And it's really good. I can see why it's been around for 30 years. It's just got this nice, come on, add some meat and vegetables to me kind of taste to it. Yeah. That's lovely. And you know what? I'm going to heed its call. We've got some mung bean sprouts and spring onion going right in. It's actually going to go back on the boil too. Yes, sirree. And not only mung bean sprouts and spring onion. I'm basically just boiling it so those mung bean sprouts kind of chill out a little bit. I also have an egg that I'll do on it, and I have shrimp and chicken. Shrimp and chicken satay, hard-boiled egg, mung bean sprout, spring onion, and one other thing. That's what we're gonna have. That's how we do when we do what we do. Miles is being awfully quiet out there. What you doing, Miles? He's probably just got like the TV off the wall. No pressure. No need to hurry. Come on. I told him I was gonna hurry too. We've got like an important phone call this afternoon. Okay, we're gonna call that good. Got up our chicken and shrimp in. Give it a light, mellow stirrage. Bowl. One found up in Richmond, BC. At Foodie World, actually. Yeah, that's right. I really like Foodie World. It makes me happy. A lot of things make me happy, actually, and Foodie World is definitely one of them. Here, how do we get you a little bit more closer in? There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's good. And we need our egg now. Hello, egg. There you go. I want to try a different technique today. I'm going to try to, yeah, probably a knife would work better. Ah! It still gets me. Sometimes it just doesn't work right. Let's just bury it. There we go. And last but not least, this deserves some of the fine, fine wonders of the world that are fried garlic, because it makes such a nice add-on in these days of need and things. Nice add-on is always welcome at the Ramen Raider. Fried garlic, ladies and gentlemen, it's a wonderful thing. Like I said, I would love a rotating thing for Christmas that I could put bowls on so I could play cheesy 70s music like, "You want a new car?" This bowl of noodles comes to you from Van Cleef & Arpels. Van Cleef & Arpels of Studio City, California. It has egg. It's from China, made by Double Mountain, a brand you can trust. With shrimp, chicken, egg, mung bean sprouts, fried garlic, which is crisp, and spring onion. So there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoy this. So yeah. It's fun to enjoy things. And if you do, then let me know. Have a good week. Whatever day it is. Sooner.